Guys, there's a good news out there for skilled workers. If you are a skilled worker wanting to move abroad and get a high paying job, there is a visa available for you. And the most interesting fact about this visa is the visa is a job seeker visa. Just like the way Canada is, it's based on a point-based system. You just need to have 70 points in 100 points for you to qualify for this visa. So when I talk about skilled workers, you're a skilled medical practitioner, a skilled engineer, a skilled whatever you are doing, and you are well skilled here and you have all the educational qualification for it, this visa is for you. You must have an educational background. So all those that want to go to Europe and be well paid as a skilled worker, this video you have to watch it to the end and like and also share the video. They also speak English there and the employees are very friendly, and this visa is a pathway to PR, permanent resident, and definitely to citizenship. So this visa that I'm going to talk about and the country I'm going to talk about is the Austria Jobseeker Visa. Guys, on this Austria Jobseeker Visa, I'll be talking about different things, then I'll be breaking them down. Firstly, I'll be talking about what is the job seeker visa. I'll be talking about how long can you stay in Austria on a job seeker visa, the eligibility criteria for the Austria job seeker visa, how to clear the point system. There's a point system for Austria. I'll talk about Austria job seeker visa required document. Let's talk about the do's and don'ts for the job seeker visa, the processing time of the job seeker visa, talk about the cost of the job seeker visa, and lastly I'll talk about the Austria shortage occupation list. 1. What is the Austria job seeker visa? The Austria Job Seeker Visa is a temporary resident permit that allows foreign nationals from non-EU or EEA countries to stay in Austria for 6 months to seek employment opportunities. It enables applicants to explore the job market, attend interviews, and secure a suitable job. How long can you stay in Austria on a job seeker visa? You can stay in Austria on a job seeker visa for up to 6 months. During this period, you can actively search for employment opportunities. 3. Eligibility criteria for Austria Job Seeker Visa. To be eligible for the Austria Job Seeker Visa, you need to meet certain criteria. Reaching a minimum of 70 points according to the following list of criteria is a prerequisite. Prerequisite meaning is important. Number 4. How to clear the point system. Ensure that you meet the criteria mentioned above and accumulate at least 70 points to qualify for the job seeker visa. Number 5, Austria job seeker visa required document. These are the documents required for the job seeker visa. When applying for the job seeker visa, you need to submit the necessary documents. 1, valid passport. 2, current biometric passport photo. 3, birth certificate. 4, legal proof of adequate accommodation in Austria in form of a hotel reservation, lease, Airbnb, or rent agreement. 5, proof of health insurance valid in Austria and covering all risk. 6, proof of sufficient means of sustenance in Austria in form of pay slip, pay certificate, employment contract, evidence of retirement, investment capital, or sufficient own assets. 7, additionally, you have to submit the following documents for examination of the individual criteria under the point system. For now, I will list them. Graduation, you need documents furnishing proof of successful completion of a 4-year program at a university or another institution of tertiary education. You need documents reflecting the status of the university or other institution of tertiary education. You need documents furnishing proof of a successful completion of a program in a main subject. Main subjects either in mathematics, informatics, natural science, or technology. You also need a document furnishing proof of habilitation, the gross annual salary in a senior management position. Then you need tax assessment notice or pay certificate, that's your tax receipt. Then you need confirmation by the previous employer that you worked in a senior management position. You need proof that the company is listed on the stock exchange or positive reports from the competent Austria Foreign Trade Office about its activities or business segment. Then you need about the research and innovation activities. To show about your research and innovation activity, you need proof of scientific publication, either stating the titles and sources. You need a certificate issued by university or research institution that you worked in R&D or academic scientific teaching, or you need proof of patent applications through extracts from national or regional patent registers. Then for recognized awards and prizes, you need document proving the conferrer of the award or prizes. Then for work experience, you need testimonials and work certificates. For language skills, you need language diploma or language course certificates at the A1 or A2 level of the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. Number 6. What are the do's and don'ts of the Austria Jobseeker Visa? For the do's, you can actually search for job opportunities, attend interviews, and network with potential employers. For the don'ts, do not engage in unauthorized job work during your job seeker visa. 7. What is the processing time of the job seeker visa? The processing time for the job seeker visa can vary. It's advisable to apply well in advance of your intended travel date. Number 8. What is the cost of the job seeker visa? The visa fee for the job seeker visa depends on your nationality. 9. Austria shortage occupation list. So Austria maintains a list of shortage occupation where skilled workers are in demand. So you have to check if your profession is in the list to enhance your chances of finding employment. I will put the link where you can check if your job is in the list in this video. Remember that the job seeker visa is not a work permit. Once you receive a job offer, you need to apply for a work permit, such as the red card, to legally work in Austria. So guys, you can start applying if you are a very skilled worker, and I wish you best of luck. Please subscribe to this channel if you like this video and share.